welcome to My Kayla, My World. Today we will be discussing and enjoying Venus Day. Just a heads up, I will be talking for this portion of the video to explain Venus Day a bit more, but if you would like to go ahead and jump into the activities and vlogging portion of this video, here is the timestamp. For those of you who stayed, hello. I just want to talk about Venus Day and what it is and how we can incorporate Venus Day into our lives. Okay, so what is Venus Day? In simple terms, Venus Day is the day ruled by the planet Venus. In astrology, each day of the week is ruled by a major celestial body in our solar system. For example, the moon ruling Monday, and Tuesday being ruled by Mars with more active energy, and of course Friday being ruled by the planet Venus, making Friday Venus Day. So what does Venus rule and how does it affect Friday? And most importantly, how can we use this energy? The planet Venus rules love, pleasure, aesthetic, romance, money, and art. Rules how we express our love, passions, and even our sexual interests and desired experiences. When we apply this to Friday, this is a day to tap into these energies that are so readily available to us. Things you can do to tap into these energies are self-love rituals, baths, yoni steaming, dancing, buying flowers, and wearing outfits that really please you as a reflection of your self-expression. Taking out time for Venus Day connects you more deeply to these energies. I personally like to use Venus Day for self-love as a way to fill up my own cup. It can also be used for external relationships if you'd like. You can also do both if you choose. If it helps you to think of this energy better in terms of zodiac signs, then the signs that rule Venus are Taurus and Libra, which are an earth and air sign. Some examples of these zodiac signs are Megan Fox and Adele for Taurus, and Bella Hadid and Doja Cat for Libra. Of course, this is their sun sign, so this doesn't rule everything about them, and there's much more to astrology than that, but here are some examples. As the spiritual community says, energy flows where attention goes, so think of Venus Day as an astrological way to invest into these energies.